In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can connect your Thrive Architect to your Getresponse account. So assuming that you want to build an opt-in page, you actually need to connect your Thrive Architect to your Getresponse so that the moment somebody subscribes from your landing page, they are landing directly to your list and they will start getting the sequence that you have created. I hope you know how to create a Getresponse account and you know how to set it up, you know how to send your first email. If you don't, the link to the video will be in the description section. So let's get started. The first thing that you need is you actually need a website. Yes, you need a WordPress website. And then when you get a WordPress website, you need to install Thrive. Look, if you don't know how to do all of these things, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell. I will be releasing a lot of video that will show you how to do all of these things step by step. Okay. Well, assuming that you have a website and you have built an opt-in page, this is our own opt-in page. You can look just to give people a free guide. They can get a free guide, a free video, or a free ebook. You need a Thrive Architect or other app builder. All right. So for instance, we already have our Getresponse accounts. The first thing that we need to do is to generate API key. How do you generate API key? Just come to your Getresponse, click on all tools, then come down to integration and API. Click on it. Click on integration and API. Then come to this API. That is the third one here. Click on API. Then click on generate API key. Then you give your API key name. For me, I will use sales here because I like to deal on sales, and I click on generate. Once it generates, I'll just copy the API key. Once I copy the API key, I'll come back to my website. I already say you need a Thrive Architect. Once I come back to my website, I come to this Thrive dashboard and click on Thrive dashboard. Okay, click on Thrive dashboard. Let me click on it. Thrive dashboard. Okay, the moment I click on Thrive dashboard, I come down to this manage connection. See API connection, manage connection. Click on that manage connection. We're about to link our API key to Getresponse now. All right. The first thing you do is click on add new connection. Just follow me closely. Add new connection. Then you click on select an app. There's a lot of them here, Aweber and all of that, ConvertKit, but we're just going to choose this Getresponse because that's the purpose of this video. So once you choose Getresponse, please do not put this in version 2. Always bring it to version 3. And then you now put that API key that we generated. Just copy and paste. We're going to paste it here. You can use Ctrl-V or you can use your mouse to paste it. So it's already pasted. We now click on connect. Okay. If it's successful, you're going to see. So Getresponse connection is ready. Once you see this check, once you see this green here, just know that it's successful. What is the next thing to do? Come back to your landing page and refresh this page so that connection will reflect. We're going to refresh this page. Once the page is refreshed, we are going to just do a little bit of setup and you will see that it will start working right away. Okay. Okay. So it's already refreshed. Just click on this plus sign here and type lead. Just type lead there. It's going to show you a lead generation form. So now just drag and drop. If you don't know how to use Thrive Architect to build opt-in page, ensure that you subscribe to this channel. I'm dropping a video on how to do it very soon. So drag and drop it wherever you want the form to show. Let's say I want the form to show here. Let me try it again. Type on lead. You drag the form and drop it wherever you want it to show. Once it shows, there's a lot of already pre-built templates you can use, but I want to use the opt-in form. Then I'll just choose one that I love so much. I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, so when people come to this website, they will see this form that I'm building now. All you need to do is once you have dragged in the form, remember it's an API. Please do not use HTML. Just keep it at API and click on add connection. Click on this and then choose Getresponse. Just follow me closely, okay? Once you choose Getresponse, you see choose your mailing list, because we have only two mailing lists. You remember that we have two lists in this Getresponse account. That is why you are seeing these two lists. So you now choose which one do you want them to come in. I want to choose sales hack conference. Then cycle day, please always choose 0. If you watch the video we did about sequence, you know that if you choose 0, they're going to receive the email that you set up for them to receive immediately. If you choose day 1, they will be receiving the email you set up for day 1. Okay, so I'm just going to choose 0 here, and then I'll just click on apply. Once I click on apply, now let me talk about one thing: redirect to custom URL. You remember, after they opted in here, where do you want to send them? You should have your own thank you page. Let's say my own thank you page now is this link. I'll just copy the link and come here. You see this redirect to custom URL? Just click on it. And then type in the URL that you are redirecting them. I assume this is my thank you page. Okay. If this is my thank you page, then I will now click on save. Just click on save here. Okay, it's saving now. Once this is saved, we are done. Once this is saved, we are done. Okay, it's saved now. Let me show you something. There is something I want to show you. So I want to be able to see. Let's go back to our email list. You see that there's no. You see that the subscriber is not there yet, but the moment I fill in a subscriber, you are going to notice that one person will be added to our list. I want to show you how to do this so that you will see that it's working right now. Okay, sales hack conference. You see that the number of subscribers is 1. Let me try to subscribe so that you can see what I'm saying. Okay. So this is the page that we built. Let me open it. Okay, remember that this is the page we built. So let me just put in and then let me put in a random email that I use here. It shouldn't be capital letter. Okay, let's click on sign up. Just pay attention. You see that it takes me here because this is where I used as a thank you page. So you should have your own thank you page that you are putting in there. Let's go and refresh this place. This thing should show 2 now instead of 1 because we have subscribed another list. I just want you to see that this thing is working. You can see it's already 2. So if you follow this same step that I showed you now, you should be able to connect your Thrive Architect to your Getresponse easily. These things are not fake, okay? I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more on lead generation, sales funnel, email marketing, ensure that you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell because I will be releasing a lot of videos that will be helping you. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.